From the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Academics to expand the menu. Then, click on Class Subject. A list of classes will appear. Click on the Edit button, the pencil icon in the Actions column for the class you want to edit. In the video, this is the 9th English class. The next page will show the details for that class. Under Course Subjects, click on the Course Subjects Plus button. This will add a new drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the course subject you want to assign. Repeat this process for all course subjects. Select elective subjects in the drop-down menus that appear. Select the elective subjects, for example, Biology, Theory, and Computer Theory. In the Total Selectable Subjects field, enter the number of elective subjects a student can choose from. Click the Submit button to save the subjects you have assigned to the class. A Data Updated Successfully message will appear at the top. Navigate to Teacher Assignment in the left-hand menu. Under Academics, click on Class section and Teachers. A list of classes will appear. Click the Edit button, the pencil icon in the Actions column for the class you want to edit. The next page shows the Class Teacher and Subject Teacher sections. In the Class Teacher field, begin typing the teacher's name and select the correct teacher from the drop-down list. Below this, you will see a list of the subjects you just assigned. Click on the Search Teacher Name field and select the teacher who will teach that subject from the drop-down list. Click the Submit button to finalize the teacher assignments. A Data Updated Successfully message will appear, and the main screen will now show the assigned class and subject teachers.